lights went off right now, but I'm actually going to step forward to see how far I have to be. So I set it up to the minimum light, but I should have put it longer. But I'm just going to show you guys. I'm going to walk in and the lights are going to turn on. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, today we're going to put a solar light, and this comes with its own solar panel, and it's charging the station. So just make sure you're aware it has an actual sensor too, and we're going to take a look at it and see how easy it is to set up. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what you get. All right, out of the box you get a full view, almost a 360, not completely yet, but you get a 180 pretty much of lighting effect. Look at this LED lights. This is flexible, this is movable, so you could adjust it anywhere you want. If you have an exit and entrance that you want to make sure you cover, you can move it around. Now these could rotate up and down, forward and backwards. All right, the front one also does that, but you got to actually loosen it up. But look at this, flexible. Now attaching it's very simple. You detach the whole system, you set up the base, and you hang it up. Inside we're going to take a look at it in a bit, but I just want you to take a look at it. Now there's a test feature, 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 120 seconds. Now we're going to take a look at the actual range that you want to set this up. All right, so a certain feet, right now we're set to max. We're going to go at 10 feet for now because it's just me testing it out, and move it there. Now we're not going to keep it a test, we're going to actually do it 30 seconds. After 30 seconds it should come off and on. Now if you want to, you could power this up with an actual power source, right? If you want, that's up to you. There's an off and on feature. On, look at that, automatically charge out of the box. Auto is day to night mode. All right, and then we're just going to keep it off for now until we set it up. So let's go ahead and put this together and see how well it works. As you guys can see, I actually set up the solar panel way on the top, and we're talking about, it's up there, it's about 12 feet high, and that's how much it's gonna light up this place. We're gonna come back at night, but I was very simple. You can set this up anywhere. I have no electricity running out here or anything like that. This is a perfect way to do that. If you want to put it in the middle of the field, middle of anywhere, underneath your car path or anywhere that you don't have electrical, this is a perfect way. Now the cable that they give you is really long, so you can set this up on one side of the area collecting the sun, and put this in the dark area where you don't have any sun. Easy setup, easy to use. All right, it's been 30 seconds. We're going to do one more test. It's completely dark in here. I have it high, it's about 12 feet high. So let's take a look at it and let's see how far it turns on again. .6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.